Hey everybody, I'm Sharon Wisniewski with eXp Realty, the Sibbach Team. I'm super excited to share with you today our newest listing in the highly desired community of Gainey Ranch. Let's check it out. Located in guard-gated Gainey Village, this single-story home has it all. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and 2,564 square feet. Enter through the enchanting courtyard to a cozy and open split floor plan. The kitchen is perfect for entertaining with its large granite island, high-end stainless appliances, induction cooktop, and a breakfast nook. The family room is directly across, ensuring everyone is together for game night or the big game. The large primary suite is an oasis with large soaking tub, glass shower, double vanities, and opens to the private backyard patio. Speaking of the backyard, you'll love the heated pool with water feature and lush landscaping. It's hard to beat this location, your walking distance to shopping and restaurants. Are you ready for a closer look? Call me, Sharon Wisniewski, at 480-425-2370.